So hey guys, another trade review for 14th of March, which is a Friday. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into the trade review. So for this day, it's a losing day as well. I took one trade and it was a loss of $70, but yeah, I was following all my rules. Okay, so let's get right into it. So for this day, we had a 10 a.m. news. Okay, so the whole context for this day is it's a TGIF. I was looking for a TGIF trade, which is a retracement, because for the whole week price have been moving lower. But for here, you can see that price has already reached for the 0.2 and 0.3 level. And personally, I was thinking of lower prices as well. So I'm thinking that Friday could have continued it. Okay, but yeah, I was wrong. ICT said before, um, usually Fridays is the TGIF trade. Okay, it's like it will have retracement. So I was seeing, but for me, I thought that okay, maybe the retracement has done after it reached 0.3 level, and price can continue moving lower. But yes, I was wrong. Okay, so right here I'll mark out the TGIF levels. As you can see, price has already reached for the TGIF levels, like what I type here. Okay, so here's a times 10. Okay, so that's how I do my trade reviews. Okay. So yeah, I was seeing for lower price. Look, it's just that close to it, and I'm looking at here this opening price of the daily candle, and you can see price has touched it as well. Okay, and we have already raided 15-minute sell side, 15-minute buy side, sorry, as well, right here. So to me, yeah, I was looking for higher price. I was looking for lower price. Okay, so you can see right here, I'm going to do some annotations. Yeah, DXY still sticking in the range. Okay, right here, 15-minute buy side rated. We have gone lower. We have gone below it with this kind of big candle. Okay, it's a 5-minute chart as well. So I was thinking, okay, we can move lower. Once I see a CB, I'm going to short within. Okay, so yeah, this is a 2022 model. Okay, and we have 10 a.m. news. So the lesson I learned was the manipulation will take place more when the news, like during the news. Okay, like 10 a.m. we have news. Okay, so I should have, maybe I could have, what could have done better maybe is I wait till 10 a.m. let the manipulation play first. Okay, but for me currently I'm thinking, okay, price has gone high enough to start moving lower. That was my thought. But yeah, generally on Fridays always expect a retracement. So that's what I learned my lesson. I'm not going to try to push it on Friday. Try to expect Friday to pay now as well. So yeah, it's just me gaining experience. But there's no right or wrong. What's right is I follow my trading plan. That's all it matters. Trading we are going to lose. That's just how it works. There's no, okay, the concept is all correct and it should pay up. No, because like I could see wrongly. That's it. Even ICT sees it wrongly. Why you couldn't give yourself room to see wrongly, right? So right here I was already measuring. Okay, if that CB forms, I'm going to enter the trade. Okay, so as you can see, so to me this was a very high probability trade. 5-minute BC, you can see we close right below and we displace below it. That makes it what? Inversion fair value gap. And we already rated buy sides, and we have been moving up since pre-market and London session. So but you see I was wrong for the whole daily range already. Okay, because since London it pumped up, then it pumps more higher. Later I'll show you guys. Okay, but you see I was looking for a reversal. I was seeing a potential reversal, high probability for myself. Okay, so to me the logic was all there, but I'm just wrong. Okay, right here you can see I mark out the daily up close. Okay, so it touched it already. Okay, so yeah. Okay, right here. Okay, another thing. See, I mark up the previous settlement. So it was going to be a big ass opening range gap. It's going to be damn big. So I'm thinking, okay, this trade is going to be perfect. 9:30 a.m. volatility. I'm going to expect it to use it. Whoop. You're going to go up, then you're going to go down. That was everything in my mind. So I was expecting 9:30 a.m. volatility to be used to send price lower. Okay, so you should see. Okay, you should see the 5 minute CB is up. The 15 minutes also 15 minutes CB is going to form as well. Okay, so I'm going to use it to trade. Okay, almost touch it, but no, did not. Okay, right here I just use a limit order. Yeah, okay, so right here you can see I put in a limit order. Okay, so 9:30 a.m. boom, 9:30 a.m. is there. Okay, so I'm expecting 9:30 a.m. to send price up to that CB, fill my order and start moving lower. That was what I was waiting for, and I'm ready to accept the loss. The loss is good, $70 only. Okay, but yeah, there wasn't market symmetry there, but I'm going to submit the price. That was just moving lower, and Nasdaq was just the same as ES. Okay, you can see Nasdaq moved higher, but ES didn't move. Okay, so that in my mind was thinking, okay, price is showing heaviness, but I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to let it be. Anything can happen during opening range gap. Okay, you see, I'm seeing, okay, nice buy sides rated as well. So why I was so confident in putting my stop, my entry here, because there's buy sides as well, just a short term high. So people that are selling, they already would have showed their stop loss here to protect themselves. So it was also the 5-minute CB. Okay, so it was a perfect entry, and we are above 12 a.m. opening price. So everything coming together, it did set a stage for a nice lower day, but it wasn't going to go lower. That's the point. Okay, so yeah, it entered, it filled me, and I'm just going to submit to the trade. Beautiful. If it painted out beautifully, then so be it. But yeah, it was to me it was a good setup trade. I'm glad I was patient enough to wait for it to fill me using the limit order. Yeah, limit order is good. So right here, just straight away, boom, with a big displacement and stops me out. Okay, then I was like, okay, that's it for the day. That was what I was thinking. Not that's it for the day. I'm thinking, okay, price can move higher. It just wants to move higher. It want to take buy side some more. And because we have 10 a.m. news as well, so I was actually waiting to see what 10 a.m. will do. Okay, now we have been shooting up higher, so I'm thinking, okay, price can be offering a premium now. Like real premium is going up ahead of 10 a.m. news. That's the thing. So I'm thinking, okay, 10 a.m. news we can move lower. So I was waiting for 10 a.m. news to come now. Okay, so yeah, expecting key levels to be hit now. Okay, so looking at here, we have buy sides here as well. When we have the new day opening gaps as well, we have gaps up here as well. So I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news to see where it will go. Okay, so now I'm just waiting, I'm just sitting. Okay, just let the opening range gap pan out, and I'm going to see 9:50 a.m. macro, what is it going to do. Okay, so I was seeing the 1 hour CB, this blue rectangle here, can it hold price? Okay, but you can see move up higher, ticks up buy side once more. Okay, and I'm seeing very big opening gap. Okay, I'm just waiting right here. Yeah, so I was really sure that price wants to take out the buy side as well. So buy side is where people put their stop loss. So from this 1 hour chart, right, it's really too messy. The only place where buy side is on top here. That's it. That's the only place. And you can see, yeah, multiple sell sides has been taken as well. So yeah, silly me for looking for low price, but that's that. Okay, so now looking, price is still showing real strength. Okay, you don't want to retrace yet. Okay, let's skip to the 10. Okay, 1050. Okay, right here. Okay, so as you can see, 1 hour buy sides rated as well, which for the old inefficiency. Okay, with hindsight, 10 a.m. just sharp drop lower. I wouldn't have participated inside as well. Okay, look, displacement going lower. Okay, but I'm not confident yet. Actually, you see order block, 1 minute order block has been offered. Boom, 10 a.m. just big shot lower, right to the 12 a.m. midnight opening price, takes out sell side once more. Okay, so to me, in my mind, I'm like, I'm only looking for lower price, right? Price have go up, then it's gone down now. So to me, I have think that price has done enough for the session. That's why I did not take the next trade. Okay, but I did wanted to trade, but I didn't tell myself there's no reason for me to trade anymore. So yeah, I did not take the trade. But right here you can see it was actually a retracement up. Okay, it was a bullish day, big opening range gap, 10 a.m. already. Okay, so the opening, so you see this big down move, right? It actually reached for the 0.25 level, which is the opening range gap, higher quad. Okay, so it's the higher portion of the opening range gap, and price touch it, wicks up, stayed above the opening range gap as well. So a big opening range gap implies this was a very big ass one. Okay, I think Nasdaq was around 200 handles, something like that. Okay, it was, if Nasdaq opening range gap is more than 120 handles, ICT said expect it to be unfilled. Okay, so as for ES, it's the same. It was a big ass one. Okay, sell sides rated, so we can expect it to be unfilled now. Okay, and it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. news already shot lower, sell sides heavily taken, so now we can trust that we can go higher. But big range brings small range, so you wait for a discount to go and long, and yeah, that's it. Wait for 15 minutes after news, right? Especially this kind of big sweep up, you wait for ICT say rule of thumb, wait for 15 minutes, or else you're just chasing price. Wait for market structure to form. Okay, so as you can see, market structure will form around here. Let's skip to 10:15. Okay, around here, like that. Okay, you can see price went lower once more. Okay, 10 a.m. After 10 a.m. we did engineer some sort of sell sides. Okay, you see, as you can see, I say that, it's a high resistance. There's no point for me to trade as well. Yep, and you can see order blocks and stuff. Sell sides rated here, then we went up, we went down again. That's why you always wait for market structure. Then we will see, let's take away the manipulation part and we see where. So we form here one sell side, we form one buy side, you keep one buy side here. Those people that did not manage to chase the price down, or that they were really lucky to short here, their stop loss is where? Right up here. So we engineered the stop loss for people to shift their stop loss down there. Yeah, so that's from the smart money perspective. Okay, so 15 minutes has passed, so now I'm just waiting for a market structure shift. So you can see small range has occurred, it went up, engineered a buy side, then let the small range play out first. Okay, so the next one you see is 10:30 a.m. So we are still showing signs of bearishness. So basically you can see these long wicks here, maybe price want to reach it. Okay, now we reach back to the 12 a.m. opening price once more again. See how it rejects up. Okay, it rejected up. Okay, this is just a demo trade. Okay, but I was thinking low price, I was seeing low price. No, price wasn't going lower. Okay, it just wants to move up now. So all equities are moving higher, real big displacement up. Okay, so you can see this 1 minute wicks, right? Actually it touched the CE of it, and then it started pumping higher. Okay, it's a 1 minute chart here. Okay, sorry, this 1 minute. This 1 minute chart here, if you look at this week CE, it touched the CE a bit, and it was the 12 a.m. opening range and the 12 a.m. opening price. Everything coming together, perfect. And we touched the opening range gap high. So everything, perfect trade. Okay, it came back up, the consolidation, the buy side, the sell side, sorry, it came back up. So it engineered the buy side, engineered sell sides, then wait for short-term sell sides to be taken. Boom, takes out, go up, order block validated, and we got above the 5 minute BC here. We can use it to treat it as a inversion fair value gap to send price higher. Real balance now, so I'm not expecting price to go below the 5 minute BC. Okay, though it can, we have this order block as well. Yeah, it can just wick here, so we have used the fresher zones. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, price did move over here. Okay, yep, that would have stopped me out as well if I had traded, but you can see price touch it and just rejected higher. So it's gonna happen sometime. So yeah, this would have been a better trade. Not better trade, okay, like I wouldn't have expected this to be traded too, but yeah, it's a 10 a.m. fair value gap silver bullet trade, so we can trust it. Why? You see sell sides taken, move up, we have fair value gap here, and we have an order block here. Yeah, we take this candle as an order block. Okay, it has the lowest closing price and sell sides taken here, and we got above the sell sides. That is the point, we got above it. Okay, that's why we can trust that we are going higher now. So I went long again. Okay, because why? You see price just rejected here, but where it closed above the 5 minute BC, and then we close above again. So I entered around here. Okay, I just entered, and now I'm trusting the 5 minute BC shouldn't be raided already. Okay, so okay, raided once more. That's why this call high resistance. Okay, that's why the stop loss had to be around, you had to use the min threshold stop loss. Okay, but if it's low resistance, right, I would have expected the 5 minute BC price to stay above it. Okay, but that's why always incorporate the fresher zones and expect price to wick through. That's why this entry, I had my stop loss right below here. Okay, right below the at least at the min threshold of the order block, and allowing price to wick lower. Okay, now displacement up. Okay, that's nice. So now at this point, I can shift my stop loss to here. Okay, so that's it for this trade review. See you guys in the next one.